welcome you to another episode of our show, Letter by Letter. I'm absolutely delighted to see all of you who are watching Letter by Letter. And it's wonderful to see all the new faces that have joined us for the first time. Today, I've prepared something really special and interesting. Farm animals. Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of animals? Then sharpen your pencils and take out your notebooks. Because in today's lesson, we'll learn how to write names of farm animals and how to divide them into syllables. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chick. N. Chicken. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Roost. Rooster. C-O-W. Cow. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. G-O-A-T. Goat. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Don-key. Donkey. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. P-I-G. Pig. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new and interesting. Keep practicing until next time. Just do your best. I know you'll do amazing. I'll see you all soon.